Today, I will tell you how you can slow down the aging process. If you always want to look young, want to live a long life, and want to avoid diseases, then this video is for you. Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. What I am going to tell in this video, there is a lot of deep research on it. Maybe you have ever heard of mitochondria. It is the power factory of the body. Energy is produced in it and then the whole body uses this energy. Health and long life depends on how well and effectively your mitochondria are functioning. You must have read Krebs cycle in biology class. This cycle starts with eating and ends with energy production. When things is dead, the body needs some molecules and chemicals to run this cycle. The body needs some nutrients, otherwise this process stops in the middle. Energy production is not possible if we get to know which nutrients are not present, due to which the glucose or fat in the body cannot be converted into energy, then it becomes very easy to understand its root cause. Now, one of these cofactors is NAD. NAD is very important molecule. Cycle cannot be completed without it. When energy cannot be produced, the cells of the body start dying. Also helps in stopping muscle loss, especially if someone has cancer. Now, why does this happen? Researchers have come to the conclusion that as age progresses, the enzymes in the body CD38 starts increasing. As it increases, the amount of NAD decreases. Other studies also show that are born without CD38, they live a long life. Other health problems are also less seen in them. These are the 5 compounds that you must include in your diet. Increase your NAD and live a long life. So let's start with the first one. Apigenin. Coriander contains the most amount of apigenin in thyme, in oregano, basil leaves, and finally celery. Different herbs and plants that you can use regularly in your diet. Second, anthocyanins. You will find these in jamun, red or purple grapes, blueberries, beetroot, red cabbage, and any blue, yellow, red fruits or vegetables. Anthocyanins are found in large quantities. Anthocyanins are also very good for your immune system. Third, curcumin. It is found in turmeric. Fourth, quercetin. It is found in onions the most. It is also found in guava and guava peels. It is also found in apple peels. Apple peels contain a lot of sugar. So if you are a sugar patient, you will find a lot of quercetin in apple peel. EGCG. It is found in different things, but the one that is easily accessible in green tea. It is also used in different medicines. It prevents CD38 from increasing in the body, increases NAD and increases in age. So this is the list of these foods for you. I hope this video will prove useful for you. Allah Hafiz.